What's up guys, welcome to Phones and Consumers. Apple is not releasing an iPhone SE this year. Apple released the iPhone SE first generation in 2016 and the second generation iPhone SE, which is called the iPhone SE 2020, was released last year as the budget iPhone for 2020. It came with the same A13 Bionic chip as the flagship iPhone 11 series. This year, we are expecting the third generation iPhone SE to be released by Apple, but according to analyst JP Morgan Chase, Apple is releasing third generation iPhone SE or the iPhone SE 3 in 2022. According to Gates China, Apple will not only improve the processor of the third generation iPhone SE, but they will also bring the iPhone 11 design to the new iPhone SE 3 model. So this is a quick leak of some of the specifications of the third generation iPhone SE or the iPhone SE 3. First, the iPhone SE 3 will have a 6.1-inch display with a notch, just like the iPhone 11, and it's going to be an LCD panel. The iPhone SE 3 will also come with two camera lenses, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel 120-degree ultra-wide-angle lens. Both cameras will support optical image stabilization. The SE3 will come with the latest A14 Bionic processor. It may also support 5G connectivity. Face ID will be present on the iPhone SE3 and may also feature a new side fingerprint recognition embedded into the power button instead of an under-display fingerprint sensor. So let's go to Sony news. Sony has been doing a great job with their recent smartphones like the Xperia 1, Xperia 1 Mark II and the new Xperia Pro. News coming from Phone Arena reveals that Sony is working on a compact Xperia phone. There is no detail about the name of this compact Xperia phone yet. The phone is rumored to be priced at $699. This compact Xperia phone is set to be released somewhere in February this year, and it's targeted to compete Apple's iPhone 12 mini for the best compact flagship of the year. Here are some specifications we have about Sony's new Xperia Compact. The new Xperia Compact phone will feature a 5.5 Full HD Plus display. It will come with a Snapdragon 775G chipset. It will also house a dual camera setup. That's a 13-megapixel main shooter, but the second camera lens is not known yet. There will be a single 8-megapixel front camera. The phone will support 5G connectivity. It will maintain the 3.5mm headphone jack, a stereo speaker setup, and a USB Type-C port. That's all for now. Catch you in the next one. Turn on the notification for more updates, news and leaks. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.